back to the class. So in the previous video we solved a question which is we are given a y equals to bracket 3x squared minus 2 all raised to the power of 3. We solve using chain rule. So in this class now we're looking at how to solve the question in a short form in case if it is objective, so that you won't consume much of your time. So now let's see how to solve this in short form. Now, to solve this, this is what you do, which is very straightforward. You just differentiate y with respect to x directly. Now, this is it. The y over the x equals to, this 3 will come down. We're having 3. The 3 will come down. I'll first differentiate x anyhow. Differentiate x here, we're having 6x. We differentiate x here, we're having 6x. Now, this 3 will come down times 3. You differentiate this. It's just like having y equals to 3x squared. So differentiate this, we're having the y over the x equals to 6x. So you are differentiating with respect to x, we're having 6x. Now this power, which is 3, will come down. We assume that this is just, the whole of this is also like x. So this 3 will come down. Now, we repeat this, everything, then reduce the power by 1. So we have times, into brackets, 3x squared minus 2 all raised to the power 3 minus 1. So, now let's multiply this now. We are having 18x into brackets, 3x squared minus 2 all raised to the power what? All raised to the power 2. So, that is how to solve with short form. So, if you look at this answer also, you can see that we arrive at the same answer. So, in case of objective, you can just make use of short form. Differentiate x, differentiate this, we have a 6x, this 2 will come down, multiply this, we have a 6x. Reduce the powers of this by 1, we have x to the power 1. Now, this power will come down times 3 times, repeat this again, then reduce the power by 1. So we have 10x into bracket 3x squared minus 2 all raised to the power. Remove 1 from 3, we are having 2. So that is how to solve that. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll move to another question. See you.